Alright guys, unusual video I'd be making. Oh, you see this? Um, I just found a video on how to get fucking FNAF World. Alright, so basically, on Steam. So basically, I got the video I saw in the description if you want to go watch that. But you will basically open up Steam, close it, then bring it back up, and then I put like a thing you'll put in your, like, any browser you want, a description below. Put that in your browser. Then it'll take you to Steam and it'll just automatically download it. So yeah, that's pretty fucking crazy. I mean, I didn't think that would be possible, but fucking is. Where is it at? Yeah, look, right here. It's insane. I think it even pops up too. Holy shit. Yep. That's crazy. Alright. I'll see you guys later.